Back to my YouTube channel NFT Expert. Hope so you all are fine and doing well. You know that I always bring different types of projects for all of you by which you can earn from different kinds of online earning platforms. Today I'm going to share a full review on VOI, which is a mobility company which gives you work from home. In this platform you can easily work from home and in return you will get a lot of income by working from home. This is the brand new and the latest USDT mining website which will give you quick earning and quick reward. In this video, I will tell you how you can register yourself on this platform, how you can perform your task, and how you can withdraw your daily earnings by working on this platform. So stay tuned with me to get the more information and details about this platform. You can see the homepage of the VOI company. You just have to register yourself. You just have to put all the credentials on the screen page. You can see first you have to put your email and then you have to set a password. After setting a password, you will have to confirm the password and then you have to add a transaction password, which is important during the time of the withdrawal. So keep it secret and safe. When you put all the credentials on this on the home page, you can see the last option is invitation code. You can get the invitation code through my video description. You can also join to the link given in the video description. After putting all the credentials, you just have to click on the sign up now button. When you click on the sign up now button, you will get registered on this platform. I already have an account, so I will go into the login now option, which is given below. You can see that for login now in option, you just have to put your email and the password where you have created during the time of the registration, and then you have to click the login immediately. When you click the login immediately button, you can see that I have successfully entered into my platform. Welcome to the VOI Technology Company. We solemnly promise that this platform will never close. The minimum investment is about 20 USDT. The minimum withdrawal is about 1 USDT. The deposit network is TRC 20 USDT. Number of withdrawals per day is 1. Charging task product benefits. Different VIP levels have different benefits. The VIP contract period is 90 days. You can get income on the same days of the investment and the principals will be repaid upon the maturity. You can see the all the investment principals, their VPA levels, their recharge amount and the daily income along with the monthly income as a whole. You can see that the VIP level starts from VIP 1 to VIP 10 and its purchase rate is started from 20 USDT to 1 lakh USDT. You can also see that upon inviting the friends and the third party members, you will get a rebate, extra rebates or commissions. For example, for team A, B, and C, there will be a rebate of the 10%, 3%, and 2%. You can see the homepage of the VOI company, which is the fastest and growing mobility companies in the world, which is born in the Sweden. We drive the innovation and shape the future of substantial transportation and urban development through the state of the art hardware and software. You can see that there is a certificate and you can this is the most trustworthy and the which will give you all the details about the about the companies, about the subscribers and the employees working on this platform. You can see that on the member list. You can see that many of the people are continuously joining this platform, already have joined the platform, and in return they will get the rewards or daily incomes by working on this platform. On the top of the page, it is a languages button. You can select your languages of your own choice of according to your own easiness. You can see there is a messages icon appear which will give you the site information and all your details. If they want to contact any information on any, if they want to give you any notification, it will come appears into the site information task. You can see there is a customer service option available in the blue mark. You can also contact to their customer services 24/7, which is available, and if you are facing any trouble shooting regarding this platform and your account, you will get through your solution through this customer services option. On the below of the page, there are many options available, like the charge option, the task option, the team option, and the my management. When I click on the task option, all the VIP areas, their descriptions are given on this page. For level 1, the daily task limit is 1 and the upper order you will get an amount of 2.80 and you will get a daily income of about 20 USDT. The recharge amount of this level is 20 USDT. Similarly, for level 2, the daily task limit will remain the same, but the per order the per order charge will become increases from VIP 1 to VIP 2. For example, from VIP 2, the per order you will get a amount of profit of 7.3 USDTs, and for example and furthermore for level 3 it will become 30 USDTs. And you can see that for joining amount you will have to just pay an amount given which is start from 20 USDTs to 50 and further on 200 to 400. And for you can see all the VIP levels, the daily task limit will remain the same, but the per order recharge and the recharge amount will increases as per order. If you start from the VIP level 1 and in slowly and continuously you will get to recharge to VIP level 2 and 3 and further so on, so you will get more and more income by working from home. When I click on the team button, you can see there is an invitation code available and a invitation link available. You can also join your friends and family members and share this your invitation code and link to your social media apps like the WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, and other apps. So you can, so your friends and family members to join upon your invitation code, and in return you will get the commissions and rebate. All the team size, the team recharge, and the team options are available here. Like I have told you earlier that for team A, team B, and team C, there are different rebates and commissions. For team A there is a rebate of 10%, for team B there is a 3%, and for team C there is a 2%. When I click on the mine button, this is the my account. You can see that I am currently at a VIP level 1. I will tell you how you can purchase, or you can recharge your account according to your own choice. You can see that all the other informations like the deposit and withdrawal records, or withdrawal method, investment that all are given on this page. So now this is the time. Please be attentive. Now I will tell you how you can recharge your account, or how you can purchase your VIP levels for mining and the investment. So you just have to click the top up. You can see there is a option available in the white bar, which is a top up. When you click on the top up option, you can see that there is a recharge code available, and there is a link available. Please do not recharge other than the TRC20. You have always have to select the TRC20 USDT. You just have to copy the link here. As you can see that I have copied the link, and go to your Trust Wallet app. I am going into my Trust Wallet app. Here you can see that I am currently logging into my Trust Wallet app. You have to just wait for a few seconds. Here you can see that I am entered in I have selected that USDT TRC20 network, and then I will click on that send button. When I click on the send button here, I just have to put the address and the amount. For example, for level 1 there is an amount of 20 USDT. When you click on the next button, your account will be recharged. Here you can, when you click on the next button, your amount will be paid into the income, which is about 20 USDT. This is the way how you can recharge your account. Now I will tell you how you can purchase your level for the investment. For that you have to just click on the task button. Here you can see that there is an option of the join now button. I am at my level 1. When you click on the join now button, you will get joined on this level, and your daily task will be work will be started from immediately when you click on the join on button. This is the way how you can purchase, how you can recharge your account, and how you can purchase your level according to your own easiness and according to your own preferences. Now the next thing is the how you can perform or gap your task, and how you can perform it. For that you have to just click on the charge button. When you click on the charge button, you can see there is a commission of 2.8, and the task limit is 1, which is same for all the levels. What you have to done, it is valid for 24 hours. Within 24 hours you have to perform your task. Within few seconds you can perform your task and get withdraw your amount. So you just have to click on the, you can see there is a terminal button available. You just have to click on the terminal button like that. If you click on terminal button, it will get recharged, and you can see that you have performed your task for 2 days. Your commission has been transferred to your account. For checking this, you have to just click on the mine button. When you click on the mine button, you can see that your investment has been, here you can see that it has been transferred into your account. Your daily commissions have been transferred into your account. For checking that, you have to just click on the your income. You can see that I reload my page, and my income has been increased to 2.80 USDTs. You can also check it into your account after this. So this is so easy and so reliable method. So this is just an amazing platform that within seconds you will have performed your task. You have get your daily earnings, and you will get profit by working on this platform on daily basis, and yeah, similarly on the monthly basis. Now I can tell you same how you can withdraw your this account, this your earnings by working on this platform. For that you have to just click on the withdraw button. When you click on the withdraw button, you can see that it is been loading. After clicking on the withdraw button, you will get that you have to just put your details. Please add your withdrawal method. So you have to just click an amount. Here you just have to click an amount which is about 2.80. Then you have to enter the password here, and then you have to select the, here you have to just add your withdrawal method. Just wait for the time. So you have to just add your withdrawal method. Here you have to just enter your network address, which is the, you have to go into your Trust Wallet app and then have to enter the network address. For that I have to go back into my Trust Wallet app. Here you can see that when I click on the receive button, you just have to click the receive button and enter your copy address. Here I have to click on the USDT TRC20 select. Here click on the receive button, copy it and enter it into your network address. Here just like that you have entered into your address. Now you have entered your transaction password. Here I am going to enter my transaction password. Just wait. So I have to enter my transaction password, which you have added during the time of the registration. When I click on the submit, and you can see that you have successfully changed. Now I have add my withdrawal method. Now I just have to enter the amount here, just like that, and enter the payment password. Here just like that, and just add the withdrawal method this. And when I click on the submit button, application for withdrawal is successful. Minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. Is add wallet address. Network must be the TRC20. Withdrawal time is 1 to 3 minutes. Within 1 to 3 minutes you will get your amount into your account. So I am going to check it out, so that I will show you that this is the most authentic and the unique platform which will give you immediate earning by working. You can see that I have to reload my, here you can see that my amount has been increased from 9 to, you can see that this transfer 2.8 USDT has been transferred to my account. So this is the most worthy, trustworthy and the reliable platform which will give you immediate withdrawal by working on this platform. So I hope so you have liked the video. I have shared all the information regarding this video. If you want to get more information about such videos, you just have to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button, so that new incoming videos will never be missed by you. Hope so you have find it useful and worthy. See you soon. Goodbye.